Everyone thinks the best-selling humidifier is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Levite Top Fill Humidifier. Let's kick things off with the Levite Top Fill Humidifier. Priced at just $29.78, it caught my eye with its impressive 2.5-liter tank and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable solution to keep your grow room moist, this is worth a serious look. So why is this humidifier a solid choice for your plants? First off, it runs for up to 25 hours on low, which means you can set it and forget it for an entire day. That kind of longevity is crucial for maintaining the right humidity levels. The top fill design is super convenient too. Just remove the cover and fill it up without making a mess. Plus, it operates at a quiet 28 dB, so you won't be disturbed while you work in your grow room. Now, some users mention that the mist output could be a bit lower than expected for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a smaller grow room or for specific plants, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a small to medium-sized grow room and want something budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. But if you're looking for something that covers a large area, you might want to consider other options. Overall, great value for what you get. Now, if the mist output for larger spaces bothered you, the next one really takes a different approach. Product number 2, Levite Neo Classic 450. Next up, we have the Levite Neo Classic 450, retailing for $39.99. What grabbed my attention was its 4.2-liter capacity and the ability to run for an impressive 42 hours. If you want a humidifier that keeps up with your plant's thirst for moisture, this one's a solid contender. What makes this model stand out? With a mist output of 270 ml/h, it quickly restores humidity, preventing any dry spells for your plants. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze a big plus for busy growers who don't want to waste time on maintenance. However, one complaint I found was that some users felt it was slightly bulky. But honestly, given the performance and ease of use, that's a small price to pay for a humidifier that does its job well. This is great for you if you have a larger grow setup and need reliable humidity control without constant refills. On the flip side, if space is a constraint in your grow room, this might not fit as comfortably. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave the latest tech. Product number 3, DREO Ultrasonic Humidifier. Now let's talk about the DREO Ultrasonic Humidifier, priced at $39.99. This one actually caught my attention because of its sleek design and impressive 3-liter tank. If you want something that combines style with performance, this is worth considering. The 360-degree rotating nozzle means you can direct the mist exactly where you need it most. Plus, it operates at just 26 dB in sleep mode, which is perfect for those nights you want a peaceful environment for both you and your plants. Some users noted that it can take a bit of time to fill the tank completely, which is a fair point. But I'll be real with you, the ease of use and performance make it worth any minor inconvenience. This is perfect if you value aesthetics along with functionality in your grow room. However, if you're looking for something that holds more water for longer use, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if you want something that can run even longer without interruptions, the next one we're looking at is a real powerhouse. Product number 4, DREO Smart Humidifier. Next, we have the DREO Smart Humidifier, which comes in at $62.99. What really impressed me about this one is the 6-liter tank and app control. If you're looking for high-tech humidity solutions, this might be the right pick for you. Why should this humidifier be on your radar? It can run for up to 60 hours, meaning less time worrying about refills. With a mist output of 300 ml/hour and a coverage area of up to 500 square feet, it tackles dryness like a champ. The smart features allow you to adjust settings remotely, which is super convenient if you're not always in the grow room. Some users did mention that the app can be a bit finicky at times. But honestly, once you get it working, it adds a layer of control that's hard to beat. This is ideal if you're tech-savvy and want the convenience of remote operation for your plants. On the other hand, If you prefer straightforward devices without tech frills, you might want to skip this one. Alright, that was an impressive option. Now let's wrap things up with a more budget-friendly choice that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Humidity 3.6L Humidifier. Last but not least, we have the Humidity 3.6L Top Fill Humidifier, which is priced at $29.97. This caught my eye because of its unique features, including aromatherapy. If you want to create a peaceful atmosphere for your plants and yourself, this is a good option. What sets this humidifier apart? The top fill design makes refilling and cleaning a breeze, and it also doubles as an oil diffuser, adding a soothing aroma to your space. However, some users reported that the mist output isn't as powerful as larger models. Here's the thing, for smaller grow spaces, it should work just fine, but if you have a more extensive setup, you might need something with a higher capacity. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable humidifier that provides both moisture and a calming atmosphere. But if you need something for a large area, it might not meet your needs. So there you have it. Each of these humidifiers comes with its unique strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer solid solutions for keeping your plants happy and healthy. To wrap it up, the Levite Top Fill is great for small spaces, while the Neo Classic 450 excels in larger areas. The Diario Ultrasonic brings style, and the Smart model offers high-tech convenience. Finally, the Humidity is budget-friendly with added aromatherapy. Each has its pros and cons, but all can help you create an ideal environment for your plants. Choose one that fits your specific needs.